Hello everyone, Ben Day, owner of Ringtone Boxing Gym. Come down and be a part of the family. It's a new year. This business is, well, it's not just a business, it's more than a business, it's my life. Come and be a part of it. It's my love, it's my passion. One of my favourite quotes, you don't build your business, you build people, and then people build your business. A lot of businesses or gyms always try to go outside and get new people in, but they don't look after existing customers. The existing customers, clients, friends, whatever you want to call them, I love and I look after just as much as the customers and clients that we're trying to bring in. That's just as important to me as well. Ben Day, Ringtone Boxing Gym, entertain around.